Hi, I am Payam Kanani from Istanbul Technical University Project and Construction Management Program. Our topic is Sustainable Construction Projects, Students' Personality Perspective. In construction projects, there are many challenges that project managers have to deal with. They have to ensure that projects are completed on time within a certain budget and to an acceptable level of quality. Successful construction organizations now focus on ensuring that project managers acquire the core competencies required to be successful in their assignments. The success of construction projects is affected by the management style of construction project managers. Each project manager has a unique personality profile which leads to distinctive character and tendencies. The personality profile of project managers directly affects persons' behavior and values, project decisions, their job performance in projects, and also plays a significant role in project's outcome. In this study, it has been tried to create the most appropriate project management teams for sustainable construction projects considering the personality perspectives of architecture and civil engineering students. Wang and Ng determined 10 fundamental challenges of sustainable construction projects. Also, they defined the most critical knowledge areas and skills which are required to overcome the challenge of sustainable construction projects. These knowledge areas are cost management, communication management, schedule management and planning, health and safety management, and risk management. And the skills are analytical skill, decision-making skill, team working skill, delegation skill, and problem-solving skill. A selected personality assessment tool for this research is the Enneagram Personality Model, which is a powerful and insightful tool for indicating the different personality types. The Enneagram is a validated personality indicator tool that has been used in a limited extent in the project management field. In this figure, you can see the findings of the research of Wang and Ng. The challenge that project managers encounter in managing green construction projects and the required knowledge areas and skills to respond to the challenge. Also, you can see the Enneagram types at the right, and here we try to find relations between the Enneagram types and the knowledge areas and skills. Enneagram is a Greek word and consists of the words enna, which means 9, and gram, with the meaning of model. Enneagram is a geometric figure that represents the 9 main personality types and dynamics of human nature, and an appropriate tool to clarify the complicated relationships between different Enneagram types. Here you can see the circle of Enneagram and the 9 types of the Enneagram on its circumference and the relations between them. Here I want to talk about Enneagram types and some of their workplace characteristics. Enneagram type 1, the reformer. Principles, they are principled, idealist, teacher, advocates. In workplace, they give more importance to product, quality, and standards, and health and safety of the employees. Sense of responsibility more than usual, delegation without confidence. Enneagram type 2, the helper. Sensitive, warm-hearted, energetic, people-pleasing. In workplace, they give more attention to communication, human relations, personal growth. They place more emphasis to people rather than achievements. Enneagram type 3, the achiever. Down to earth, success-oriented, self-confident. In workplace, they are hardworking, short-term results-oriented, give more importance to results than people, give more importance to decision-making roles, and do not want to work on a project which has a vague work plan. Enneagram Type 4, the individualist. Artists, writers, designers, creative, sensitive. In workplace, they give more importance to quality and the aesthetic of the product. They are weak members of teamwork activities. Enneagram Type 5, the investigator. Deeply private, sensitive, innovative, creative, thoughtful. In workplace, they need privacy, time, and space. And they escape from conflicts and not good at the open competition jobs. And they are effective in decision-making roles. Enneagram Type 6, the loyalist. Trustworthy, worried, cautious, uncertain, friendly. In workplace, they are faithful, take reasonable risks, pay attention to developing future strategies, and have strong analytic power. Enneagram Type 7, the enthusiast. Humoristic, fast learner, and quick mind. In workplace, they are quick in thinking and acting under pressure, planner rather than implementer, and tend to work in a team and with their friends. Enneagram Type 8, the challenger. Powerful, self-confident, aggressive, protective, straight-talking, self-sufficient, and self-reliant. In workplace, they want to control everything on their own, know everything in projects, tend to be angry, and do not want to be an employee. Enneagram Type 9, the peacemaker. They are easygoing, friendly, optimistic, stable, avoid self-assertion. In workplace, they have a talent of conflict resolution and can be a good negotiators and human resource managers. They are slow decision makers and average time managers. Methodology. To explore the relationship between different personality types and the knowledge areas and the skills, it was decided to provide a survey. The unit of analysis was bachelor and master students of architecture and civil engineering from different universities. The survey designed in two parts. The first part is for evaluating the respondents' interests and talents in different skill and knowledge areas. Respondents should evaluate them according to the suitability of these skills and knowledge areas for their personality characteristics by giving a quantitative value from 1 to 5. The second part is for determining the personality types of the respondents, which includes architects and civil engineers. For this research, the selected personality determination tool is the Riso-Hudson Enneagram Type Indicator. Analysis of results and conclusion. The survey was obtained from 58 persons, but 52 of them were effective and had the required conditions for analysis. And this table represents the distribution of the Enneagram types. As you can see, the highest rate of the respondents were type 2 with 21%, and the lowest rate of respondents were type 3 with 5%. This table represents the knowledge areas and the skills and the means of the scores given by each personality type to them. For example, the Enneagram Type 1 respondents gave the highest score to schedule management and planning, and gave the lowest score to team working skill. This table was performed to easily reveal the Enneagram types and their perceived priorities of the skills and knowledge areas. One of the remarkable issues in this table is the analytical skill. That 7 out of 9 types gave highest scores to analytical skill. Another remarkable issue is decision-making skill and teamworking skill. That's none of the types gave priority to these skills. This table represents the 2 or 3 most appropriate personality types for each knowledge areas and skills. The most appropriate types for cost management are types 1 and 3. The idealistic characteristic of type 1 persons and the success-oriented personality of type 3 can be the reasons that these types pay more attention to cost management than other types. The most appropriate types for communication management are types 6, 7, and 9. The friendly and talkative personality characteristics of these types can be the reason of this choice. The type 1, type 3, and type 3 are the most appropriate types for schedule management and planning. According to literature, types 1 are the best schedulers and organizers, and type 3s are success-oriented people and do not want to work in a project which has a vague work plan. Types 5 and 9 are the most appropriate personality types for health and safety management. The reason for this may be the friendly and humanitarian personality characteristic of type 9 and 5. The most appropriate personality types for risk management are type 6, because 6 are security oriented and have worried and anxious personality which forces them to anticipate everything before happening. And type 8 because they are persons who want everything to be under their control. Also, the most appropriate types for analytical skill are types 3 and 5. The most appropriate types for decision making are types 1, 3, and 8. For team working skill are types 2, 6, and 9. For delegation skill are types 2 and 7. And for problem solving skill are types 1 and 2. The remarkable issue in this research is the Enneagram Type 4 respondents, who don't tend to almost any area, and gave low scores to all of the knowledge areas and skills. Knowing employees' Enneagram types is important to understanding each person's strengths and weaknesses, and can help managers in creating teams which can work more productively and achieve common goals.